Welcome back again for the second lesson of our double today. Now remember, you must follow the timetable. Do not go over, otherwise you'll be going into your recess and your lunchtime. You need to do some breaks just before you go back to your other subjects. So we doing the lesson one was on Monday, which we didn't have. Lesson two, remember, because it's a double, we only have to do it once. So we've already recorded our presence in the first lesson. So we're now ready to go on to the second lesson. And this is just my video of me just explaining it. So remember, for our second lesson, we go down here to lesson two, which is exothermic and endothermic. So that will take us to our lesson page. There you'll find your Word document, your PowerPoint, and your videos. Remember, it's the 5 easy steps. Open up the Word document, do the pre-video questions, simply click, then load up your PowerPoint, follow the instructions, and let's find out very quickly which slides you have to read. Um, it's going to take a while. Repeat. If you do run out of time, you've always got this afternoon. You can do it for homework. I mean, it's not as if you can go out and to the skate park. Remember, it's illegal to go to your skate park. You need to stay at home. And here we go. Let's log on. There's our Word document. So remember, we have our pre-video. So today we were doing slide 6. Copy some key notes. We're watching the video, and then we're filling in our learning objectives. It could be very simply, as I say, the difference between endo and exothermic. A very simple lesson, this one. And then finally, your post video and your extended. Interesting, there's a pre-video there and a pre-video there. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, we've got two sections. All right. Oh, well, so it's a case of repeat the process. Then there's the end of lesson 2. So going back to the class page. So that was the page. Let's go back to our reaction types. So, and on Friday, we'll do the lesson number 3. So until then, I hope you can complete the task. While I'm at it, this is where we'll have a free lesson of revising all those previous lessons. A little bit simpler. That's where you actually do the review questions. So have a good day, and we'll speak to you on Friday about lesson 3. Bye.